Hey guys, my name is Janelle McClarty and welcome back to my channel. I do like and I do enjoy talking about tech and web design and app development and all that, but I actually enjoy talking about business on a whole. So whenever I get a new web design client, we always start from the beginning of the business cycle. So I ask them, okay, in order to understand what you need designed on your website, do you have a business plan? Do you have a marketing plan as well? So I know how you're going to be marketing this website after we complete it. And then I get so many questions in between. So from, okay, how do I even make a business plan to how do I market my website to how do I register my business? So I get a whole bunch of different business related, like general business questions that I needed to answer via video like this one. And I want to explain so that you know the process from starting a business, from beginning to the end of like actually making a profit and making a sale. So that's what this channel is going to be about. So it's rebranded, not just about web design and tech anymore. We're going to be talking about web design, marketing, general business questions and answers, and a whole lot more in between. So yeah, stay tuned for new videos that are going to be posted every single week on this channel. And yeah, and a lot of cool, let's say, business groups and business products and services that I'm going to be releasing on this channel as well. So look out for that. In the meantime, if you have any business related questions, as I said, whether it be tech or just general business or marketing, please let me know. Just let me know in the comments below, and I would love to create some new videos and some new content on questions that you have. But for now, I have a list of questions and business topics and ideas that I'm going to run through in separate videos. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next actual business Q&A video. All right.